Hi, and welcome to one of the first training videos that we'll be releasing in this series. In this particular video, I want to show you how to mount the Nexus or ISIS drives that would be part of whatever storage unit you've got on site. Um, Normally, I like to put the app in the toolbar here, but let's start from scratch. So if I go Apple space and do a spotlight search for Nexus, it'll pop up there. Just hit enter. And as soon as you get this dialog box up, you'll see here uh, in this top window here under systems, you'll see all of the different storage units that are on your network that you can access. So whether they're Nexus units or ISIS units, you'll be able to see them up there. And then once you log into them, down here, it'll give you a list of, in the workspaces area, it'll give you a list of all the available workspaces that you can log into. And it's just a case of double clicking on them and they all mount. So that's about it.